Oh, we got new bumpers. Actually latches now, but that's not what the video is about. Company messed up. They sent like 60 instead of 6. So this is a T50 stubby, right? Look, T50. Can you see it? T50. That's not how it came though. The highly regarded company. Oh, look at that thing. You see? Locks now. It's a little too tight. It might break in more. Look at that 8. Defective. They put a 8. You look at the part number in this. This is a 8mm Allen. Well, it should be, but they put the wrong size bit on it. Factory defect. Is that rare? You see the metric always has the little lines on it. And Torx or standard doesn't. Alright, that's weird. They messed up, but I gotta replace when the bit's still good. I wonder how that would be. Warranty that out in a truck. Be like, yeah, I have this, and it's something different. Maybe they'll give you the long Allen instead. I don't know how that would work. Look at that though, tight. We had the wrong style ones. I got these for free. Some people abuse the companies. They try to get free stuff and sell it. I could do that with these D10s, but that's not right. You call up the company, they send you a whole bunch for free. But I bought these ones because these are from Kennedy. They make machinist box, but I got another video on it. I'm not gonna post out the video on that. But now these drawers, they actually lock in now, which is nice. Alright, enough of that. Defective. That's weird. Always check your stuff. Every single one you gotta go through, because you just never know what you're gonna get. Someone effed up there, and that's a new one too. It's from 2018. The date code on it. We got another video of it. Yeah, we put that on a rail. We gotta either cut a rail or find a shorty rail for all this crap. We're organizing stuff. These Craftsman screwdrivers are garbage. We gotta get better ones. They Torx and everything. We'll find them eventually, sometime this year. I got better stuff, and that's probably about it. Oh, that's a new rail we got too. Snap-on rails are cheap. They used to be like $2. Now they're like $3.25. Like shipped. It's still pretty good though for a rail, I think anyway. And they're decent quality. Some people hate them. The chrome goes bad on them. I had mine though for, I don't know, 15 something years. Like these ones and those ones, yeah, pretty old. This is so annoying. That's a plane. Weekend. Hear that though too. Hear that shit in the middle of the night. So annoying.